Let me share my screen. Now, there are lots of things that are related crop modeling part that I'm not able to cover in our short course, mostly focusing on crop, but there is one thing you need to know. So crop model using different crop models and genotype files. Here is the folder called genotype. And in this folder, you can find crop variety related coefficients. For maize, we are using this file. You see, maize, SER047 cultivar file. And this file contains all maize genotypes that we have currently calibrated and supported in DSSAT crop modeling system. And among them, there is a Tampa, let me search. This is the Tampa. And here is the code. Remember, we are using code GH0010. Each variety has its own code. Those codes you can identify in this file for maize. Similarly, for some other crops, there is a similar files as well. For wheat, for example, this is the wheat varieties we have here. Let's stop again from maize, Tampa. And cultivar coefficients used here is this one. This one. It's calibrated, as you can see, authors. When it was calibrated, and I used this one. There are some other maize varieties we are using as well, and all are in this list, or it should be here. When your variety is not in the list, then we need to make some additional actions in order to bring your variety in this list. And at that time, you might need to communicate with me and to explain those details. We are not covering the topic in the current scope of our workshop.
Okay, so for example,